What's up, YouTube? And today is Beers and Bimmers, and so we're having a huge BMW meet here in my hometown, which is so cool because normally I have to drive super far to go to anything car related, and the fact that it's BMWs is even better. So I'm gonna go wash the car and then we're gonna get it set up. I actually brought chairs this time because I am not trying to stand up like 8 hours like I did last time and yesterday as well. It's been a busy weekend. A lot of photos, a lot of editing, a lot of videos, but very excited to get this content out to you guys. So I'm already kind of late because I was waiting for my last YouTube video to upload and it took forever because it's 4K and it's like 30 minutes long, and I was doing it on my phone, so I needed my phone. Anyways, we're good to go now, so I'm gonna go wash the car. Probably not gonna prop you up because it's just super cold and I want to hurry up and get done with it. It's supposed to get up to 80 today, so we should be good for the meet though, and then I will catch you guys at the event. What's up, guys? We are at the spot. We got here super early and we got the BMW out here. I washed and cleaned as best as we can. I got some of the props and little books that I got. Actually, these came out of the owner's manual for one series that was in the glove box that I bought for the car, so I'm not going to use my own because I don't want them getting messed up, but these are fine if people look at them. And then we have the little model of what my car used to look like. However, most of the interior, if it's there, it's not beige anymore, which is good because we're making progress. We're trying to get black interior, red, silver trim, stuff like that. So I got a few more things to set up and then we'll start seeing cars roll in and we'll get to work with shooting photos. We got a lot of people here now, and Thick Whip showed up from Charlotte, which seeing this car in person is crazy, dude. What's up, guys? We are back home. I am sunburned again, just like last weekend, but that's all part of it. Huge shout out to Eldridge for hosting it, Bull City Lexington for having the event there, and awesome that I got to see Thick Whips because he inspired this entire 1 Series build, and I think that was one of the coolest things about today was the fact that he was there, and also met some awesome, cool people down at BMW here locally that I already knew, but kind of didn't get to talk to as much since we only knew on service terms. However, new content coming soon with a lot of people that I met, and I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and definitely posting more stuff like this. It's just gonna get better and better quality as we go. I don't know if I'm gonna put my gimbal shots on here. I'm gonna try to. I shot some on my gimbal. It was all vertical, so I don't know if I will. I might just make it into YouTube shorts. However, we're moving up. We're working on stuff. We got a lot happening this week for the car as well. Videos will be coming out in the next couple of weeks, and the next couple of months will be huge for this car. And then maybe we'll get another project. But we're not gonna jump ahead. We still got a lot to do on this before I even want to consider a different project. So I got a lot of editing to do as usual. So let me get to that, and make sure you guys come back and watch more of these videos because they're great. See you guys.